easy English.
Hi friends, welcome to the holiday fun. Today, we're going to decorate a Christmas tree. Are you ready to help me? Let's get started. First, we need to set up the pine tree. Look at this tree. Pine tree. Pine tree. It's big and green. Let's stand it up nice and tall. Perfect. Now, it's time to add the twinkly lights. Light. Light. These lights make the tree sparkle. Start at the bottom, like this, and wrap them around and around all the way to the top. Next, let's give the tree a little hug with some garland or ribbon. Garland. Ribbon. Doesn't it look fancy now? Now comes the fun part, hanging ornaments. Bauble. Bauble. Pick your favorite ornament. Make sure to spread them out so the whole tree looks pretty. Every Christmas tree needs a topper. You can use a star, an angel, or anything you like. Let's place this shiny star right on top. Star. Star. Finally, let's cover the bottom of the tree with a soft tree skirt. This makes it look extra cozy and hides the stand. Tree skirt. Tree skirt. Now, it's ready for presents. Present. Present. Wow, look at our beautiful Christmas tree. The lights are twinkling, the ornaments are shining, and the star is glowing on top. You did an amazing job. Don't forget to enjoy your Christmas tree with your family. See you next time, and happy holidays!